Hey Tech HD, this is Will Powers with Razer here at CES 2022. We want to show you everything we have at our booth. So starting right behind me, this is our new showcase of everything smart home. We're doing something really cool here. We have a software partnership with all these different hardware manufacturers. You have Nanoleaf here, you have Twinkly lights, you have Yi lights down here, as well as more Nanoleaf that right next to the TV. This is the world's first unified software solution to be able to control all these different hardware manufacturers with one software application. Here at Razer, we have the largest ARGB ecosystem in the entire world with Razer Chroma. And with this, we're taking the Chroma ecosystem out of the desktop and into the smart home for you to be able to control all these different pieces of hardware with one app on your phone. So Razer Smart Home app coming soon. We'll move over here into our Quartz Room. This is really cool because our motto at Razer is for gamers by gamers. So we listen to all the feedback from you guys. And not only do you want stuff to be the highest tech specs possible and to have the best system and best quality products, but you care how it looks. So we continue to listen to you guys and release more colorways than ever before of our products. And this is just showcasing what an entire setup would look like if you had it in quartz. Continue to move on and show you some really cool stuff we have in the center of our booth. We'll start with our wearables section. We've been involved in wearables for a long time, whether it's our Anzu smart glasses that have interchangeable lenses between blue light blockers, prescription, or sunglasses, or if it's our Hammerhead True wireless earbuds to be able to get crystal clear active noise canceling and ambient modes right here. Or if it's our Zephyr smart mask. This is actually the Zephyr Pro, the brand new model that we're unveiling at CES this week. It takes all the feature sets from our Zephyr mask, but it adds some really cool new ones. This mask has speakers and a microphone built into it to be able to allow you to be heard loud and clear, up to 60 decibels at a 1 meter radius. But we're adding something new here too. We're just able to confirm voice modification as well. So you're able to really unleash your inner Bane, your inner Darth Vader, and be heard loud and clear with voice amplification on that. Want to show you guys something really exciting, our brand new laptops, our brand new Razer Blade models. These are our Razer Blade 14, 15, and 17-inch chassis. We aligned with our partners at AMD, Intel, and NVIDIA, and have the brand new CPU and GPU chipsets in these bad boys. So the brand new AMD Radeon 6900HX processor in the 14-inch. We have the brand new 12th gen Intel processors, up to 14 cores in the 15 and 17-inch chassis, and up to an RTX 3080 Ti NVIDIA graphics card in all three versions. Super excited about this product refresh for our blades in early 2022, and they'll be coming out sometime in Q1. Next to it, we're able to showcase for the first time publicly our newly announced components for PC. So you have all four of our different component parts: the kunai fan blades, the Razer Hanbo all-in-one liquid cooler, the PWM fan controller, and the Razer Katana power supply. Showcased all in a Tomahawk ATX case to really get your Chroma not only outside in your PC setup, but inside in the PC as well. Right next to it, this is an exciting new partnership that we have with Fossil. Really, it's a software integration on our end with Fossil's hardware team. You see the custom Razer Chroma faceplate right there. There are 3 different custom digital faceplates. The Chroma one shown off there, a digital and an analog one. This is the first limited edition on Fossil's Gen 6 smartwatch platform, which just came out last September. And it comes with those 2 different wrist straps, a black one and a Razer green one. It's launching on January 10th at 8 a.m. Like I said, in a limited edition drop. Only 1,337 units will be available because we're Razer and we want to do things elite. Let's walk in here. This is our PC gaming room. We want to really showcase the ultimate PC setup. So if you have everything flushed out in ultimate tier 1 model, what does it look like? So we have 3 27-inch Razer Raptor displays, 144 hertz refresh rates, the high-end webcam, the Kio Pro, pumping out 1080p 60 frame per second video, as well as a Siren V2 Pro dynamic microphone to get you heard loud and clear. Everything you need to be at the top of your game in this ultimate PC setup. We'll continue to move along through the booth. We're moving into console land. So right here is just a showcase of everything awesome that we have that we make here at Razer in the console setup. So everything Xbox to the left, everything PlayStation to the right. And the thing that we like to talk about here is how we are the only peripheral company in the entire world that has direct integration into Microsoft's supply chain. When I say that, what I mean is you see we have the exact same paints, the exact same resins, and the exact same plastics as Xbox's first-party controllers. So our universal charging stands, they are one-to-one matching of those first-party controllers. Not only in those custom ones that I'm showing you right there, but as well as the top 5 best-selling controllers that Microsoft makes. We not only have color matching in our universal charging stands, but in our Kyra X headsets as well. So you can really take your personality and display it across your entire setup for console. Everything here has our 50mm Triforce drivers for amazing sound design. So something that we're excited to bring from the Black Shark line of our esports headsets into the console space. Console gamers, especially in 2022, are going to continue to reap the benefits of Razer and all of our R&D in the PC space for the last 16 years as we bring that into the console space and continue to do so. I want to show you something real here that's super, super cool. If you haven't checked out our Wolverine V2 Chroma controllers, these are our top of the line controllers for both PC and Xbox. And this just goes along with what I was just saying about bringing the R&D from PC into the console space. We have mecha tactile buttons and mecha tactile switches on these face buttons, as well as a D-pad. Hopefully you can hear it here. You can hear that clickiness, that actuation, and that faster response time from those switches. It's satisfying, it feels good, and it actually performs 40% faster than standard membrane switches, which you'll get in first party and competitive and other competitors' controllers. So if you want to be at the top of your game and you want to perform better and 40% faster, we have a controller for you. Before we go into the piece de resistance in the middle of our booth, I want to showcase just our full lineup of broadcaster products. Our 3 different tiers of webcams from Kio Pro, Kio X, Siren V2 Pro, Siren V2 X, and Siren Mini broadcaster microphones as well. And in the center of the booth, we have our 2 concept products. So at CES every year, what we do is showcase the future. We showcase technology and what you can look forward to coming out soon. So our concept products this year, they're not for sale. There is no release date. This is something to just really show off where technology can go. This is Project Sophia, the world's first modular gaming desktop. When I say modular, that means this is a CPU, this is a GPU that we're able to pop into it. This is a fully customizable touch interface with inductive charging. If you want to take this and have it be your Twitch chat, if you're a streamer, you can customize it to that. If you're a graphic designer and you want to turn this into a tablet and use a stylus on it, you can customize it to that. Because it has inductive charging, you're able to add things like heating elements and have this be a coffee warmer. If you're an audio engineer, these are your EQ settings, full touch interface to be able to customize it to that as well. This is a 65-inch display to be able to turn this into the ultimate tool bench and workstation that you can pick all of your own tools and customize to what your needs are. Next to it, we have our other concept product. This is Enki Pro HyperSense. Let me break down what those 3 words mean. Enki, it's our second family of gaming chairs built around all-day comfort. Pro, it's our highest end model. And then HyperSense, it means we put haptics in this bad boy. So if you look down here, this is a giant haptics engine brought to you by our good friends over at D-Box. These are the guys that make the super premium high-end theater chairs that are fully integrated with haptics and sound design. We have a haptics engine there. We have haptics built into the base, into the back of the chair. Up to 46,000 different haptics variations you're able to feel in this chair. With the engine down here, it orientates the pitch and the yaw of the chair as a whole. And with this, you're able to have textured feedback. So if you're playing a racing game like Forza Horizon 5, you can feel the gravel in the road. And if you're in the air, the chair orientates with the orientation of the car, and it impacts when you land. You're able to feel that. So not only with interactive entertainment like games, but with streaming services like Netflix and Disney Plus. This works with the latest Witcher, and you're able to have an immersive experience with any entertainment. So that's what we have to show at Razer at our booth at 2022 at CES. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.